If you have no experience, no product yet, this video will show you how to start selling digital products on Etsy from scratch. To start your digital product business but you don't know how, I've created a free guide that you can go ahead and download. It will walk you step by step on how you can start. I felt confused, but when I followed these exact steps, I made my first sale. In this video, I want to show you the exact system that I used. So how can you start selling digital products? Yes, how to start selling your digital products. You might have a product, but when you don't have any idea on how to start selling, having a product only is not going to help you. So in this video, I've broken down steps that can help you to start selling that product that you already have or you have already created. Every content creator will come tell you, go create a product, but they will not show you the exact steps that you can follow that will lead you to your first sale. So first of all, what you can do is choosing a niche. Yes, and when you choose a niche, that means you are intentional and you are specific. You don't just wake up and you are like, maybe today I'll create something about making money. Making money is a niche, but under it, there are sub niches. So you choose a niche and be specific exactly. For example, here are some niches that you can choose. You can choose things like planners. Yes, but planner is a bold niche. So you niche down to be specific on which type of planner that you are going to create. Let me show you an example. So when we come here on Etsy, as you can see here on my screen, these are 70 pages of a self-care planner. The reason why this planner is doing well, this person is specific. They did not only just wake up and create planner just like that. If you are creating your digital product, be specific to the person that you are targeting or your product is applying to. So if a person comes on this page, they know that this planner I'm buying is for self-care. So if you are creating a planner, maybe you are creating a planner for cooking, be specific and say this planner is for cooking. Maybe a cooking planner for busy moms, maybe a business planner or a travel planner. So that means you are niching down. And if I come to your product, I know exactly, because people always go to buy when they are intentional and they know exactly what they want. So if your planner is niched down, like this example I've showed you, it's not only just a planner, but it's specific that it's for self-care, not anything else but self-care. Yes, so that's a type of a product that you can create, or that's how you go on choosing the right niche for yourself. Yes, that's how you go on choosing the right niche for yourself. So other examples that you can go ahead and create, you can create kids printables. Yes, and those ones also work very well. So you can, as you can see, these are kids printables, and these ones you can include curling pages, numbers, tracing, and so much more. So it will depend on you, which kids are you targeting. Maybe you can target kids which have ADH, so it will depend on you, but that's how you go on choosing the right niche for you. And another niche that you can go into to create, you can create maybe prayer journals. You can create prayer journals. That's also a good niche that you can go ahead and use to create your digital product. Then another one that you can use, for example, these are business templates. Yes, people always buy them to organize their business, to stay on track, to promote their businesses. So you niche down according to those niches. But there are also other niches that you can tap into, but I'm just giving you examples. Those ones that you want to start, you can go with this, or you can make your research and find any niche that you want. But that's how you can go ahead choosing the niche and being specific. That's step one. Yes, that's step one before you go on to any other thing. That should be your first step, to know what you are really creating and who your product speaks to. Then this is our second step. Yes, doing your its research. Yes, now you know the niches. Now you can go deeper and find the products idea that you already have, you can go ahead and find, are really people interested in this product? Are really people buying this product? Yes, for example, if we come here back on Etsy and we check this children's printable, as you can see, it's a good product, people are buying it. So as you can see, it's in already 20 cards. And another reason why people are buying it, because it's in bundles, so people get a lot of pages together. Because of this, people get a lot of pages in this bundle, and that is also making it to stand out. And you can also come here and see the reviews. Is this product ranked higher or not? So as you can see, even this person just bought it on 5th February, and as you can see, it is written here that it's an amazing bundle. I'm a must buy for kids busy while learning. So as you can see, it's a good bundle that you can buy. Yes, people are giving it 5 reviews, anybody who is buying it. So as you can check here, and people are buying it constantly. So as you can see here, this one was bought in November, December. So those reviews can tell you that this product is good. So as you can see here, it's rated on a 5-star review. But that's also good. But there's also another way that you can go ahead to do your research, and there are tools that are paid for that you can use. Yes, that can dive deeper into Etsy to show you how much that product is really making. Yes, and are really people interested in that product. For example, there are tools like Everbee. Yes, but those ones are paid for. Those tools are paid for, they are not free. They are not free of charge. Yes, those ones are paid for. But if you're starting out there, so for example, this is how Everbee looks like. But Everbee will give you deep research. It will show you how many sales that product has done in that month, how people are buying it. It will show you the tags, the reviews, so that you can go ahead and you. So as you can see, this is how it can dive deeper into the analytics and even the keywords and everything. But this is paid for. Yes, but if you don't have money and you are starting out, then you can go with those tips that I have shown you. You can go ahead and research as I've shown you, to see if the product is a bestseller, to see if it has high reviews, and to see if it's a repeated product, if people are buying it constantly every time. So if you don't have money, that's how you can do your research. But if you have, I would advise you to invest in those tools like Everbee, like It's Hunt, if you want to take this seriously. Yes, if you want to take that serious, you can go ahead and invest in that. Then this is going to take us to our third. This is taking us to our step number 3, creating a product. And if you are creating this product, I would recommend that you use Canva. Canva, it's me, that's what I use for me, and it's even what I'm using to record this video. Canva is a good, you can use it on your phone, your tablet, or you can use it on your computer. It's a good app that can help you to create your digital products. You can create them as a template and save them and go ahead and sell it. So you can use Canva to create, for example, this. You can use Canva to create, for example, these kids printables in Canva. It's simple and easy. I've done a video showing you how you can create these worksheets in Canva. So I'll link that video in the description below. Yes. So you can use Canva for creation, and nowadays with the use of AI, you can go to ChatGPT, ask it for ideas so that it can help you to go ahead and create your, it can help you to go ahead and create your product if you don't have any idea. Yes, so this is going to take us to our next step, and this is step number 4. And step number 4 is writing titles. In your title, you have to include in keywords. Yes, for example, if you have created a budget planner, you have to include in things like budget planner printable, so that a person will know that this budget planner is to be printed. So if a person is looking for a budget plan that can be printed, then they will come to your shop because you have put in the keywords. Or for example, if you are targeting people who want budget planners to be used on their tablets, you include that. For example, if we come back to this, our example, as you can see, this person included keywords in their title. So as you can see in the title, they have kids activity bundle. First of all, kids. They are telling a person that this product is for kids, it's not for adults. And they are also telling them that it's editable in Canva. So if a person is looking for a product that they can edit in Canva, then this is going to work for them because they know they can edit this in Canva, and it's a P PLR worksheets. They are learning activities and they are for creative kids. So you can go ahead and buy this knowing what you are buying because it's included in the title. That's why it's important to include keywords in your title, yes, and in your description. So you include keywords in your title and in your description, yes. Then the next step that you can go ahead to do is pricing your digital product. That's step number 5. If you don't know how to price your product, that will affect you. Maybe, for example, you've created a bundle and you've priced that bundle maybe solo, that will be putting down your energy that you've put into create maybe 1,000 pages, maybe 2,000 pages. So you be careful on the pricing. Don't price it so high that people will run away from your product, or don't price it so low that people will be confused and you'll be like, maybe this product is not good, that's why it's so cheap. So you be careful on how you price. How you can know your price, you can go to AIs like ChatGPT, you ask it, you make your research and see what other sellers are selling on Etsy. How much are they pricing? Or you can go to Etsy as you are doing your product research. Then you see how much people are selling that same product that you are creating. Then you can choose either to price yours higher or low. Then this is going to take us to our next step. And our next step is uploading your list. So when you're uploading your list, of course, you're supposed to have opened up an Etsy shop. Yes, but if you're like you don't want to sell on Etsy, there are also other platforms that you can use to sell your digital products. Yes, and I've also done a video where you can sell your digital products. I'll leave it in the description below, with different platforms where you can go ahead and sell your digital products. So if you don't want to sell on Etsy, there are also other platforms that you can use. So you can go ahead and upload your listings, and also don't forget to upload markup images and tags in the description and tags. So if you're like, what are markup images? So for example, this is a markup image. This person is showing a person how this page will look like when they are finished printing it out. So this is how this is going to look like, yes, if it's already done. So if a person sees this, they know, this is how what this page is going to look like. So they will go ahead and purchase this knowing how this product will look like. Yes, and that is how you can go ahead to scale up your product or your digital product I've created on a higher level, so that people can go ahead and buy from you. These markups, they make your product look beautiful and make people to imagine how that product will look like when they have it, and you put in your description and tags. Then this is bringing us to our next step. This is marketing. How are you going to market? You will not just create a product and leave it there to sit. Yes, you're supposed to market it. And the fastest ways that you can use to drive traffic, if you're a person who doesn't like to make videos, then this is where Pinterest comes in for you. Then you can go ahead and use Pinterest to sell your digital products. Yes, you can go ahead and use Pinterest to sell your digital products. So this is how Pinterest looks like. So you can go ahead and use this. You can use it to create pins, yes, and those pins can be linking back directly to your they can be linking back directly to your Etsy shop or another platform that you are using to sell your digital products. So you can create pins like this, put them on Etsy, and people will be coming to your product to check it out. That's another way that you can use to promote your digital product. And another source that you can use to promote your digital product, that's YouTube. And you can use YouTube, yes, to promote your digital product, or you can use TikTok, or you can create an email list. For example, you can create a free guide that will help people to subscribe to you. So you can go ahead, maybe you can create like 5 coloring pages and you give them away for free, and anybody who wants to download them, they have to put in their email before they download those pages. So in that way, you are getting their email and they are also getting your free pages. Yes, and this is bringing us to our last strategy. Yes, and our last strategy is on how to get your first sale. Your first sale is being consistent, posting your product on Pinterest, making sure that it gets into people's eyes. If you want, you can also start a YouTube channel, be talking about it, or you can use TikTok or any other social media platform you want. And another way that you can grow to get your first sale is improving your listings. Yes, be always checking what has started working in your niche. And another way is to offer bundles, as I have showed you. Making bundles works, yes, and it helps you to increase your price. Yes, so if you are there and you want to start your TikTok product business, but you are stuck, you don't know how to start, I've created this free guide that can help you to start your TikTok product business. It's for free. You just put in your email, you go ahead and download it, and it will show you all the steps that you need to follow to start your digital product business. So if this video has helped you, don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to subscribe.